Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So we just got Angie's bike all finished up. So we've worked on Angie's bike a couple of times. The first time was wiring rescue, and then we did a small upgrade. Then the second time we did a small upgrade again. This time she heard her brother Wiz's bike and decided to go all the way in and let us redo the whole thing. So the major problem with Angie's bike is she had the double 6x9 lids. Everybody knows I don't like these lids. There's a huge reason I don't like them. Wiz's bike had the same lids. We removed those two. The problem with the double 6x9 lids is the two sets of 6x9 share airspace, and then the bottom of the lid leaks into the air pressure on the top of the lid and causes cancellation. The other problem is, unlike a single 6x9 lid, water can get into the bag because the sides of the lids are completely open. And in order to because if you measure the top of the lid, you literally can't fit two 6x9s on the top of the Harley lid. It's not wide enough. So they drop the 6x9s down, and then that bridge that drops them down leaves open area on both sides where water can get in, and more importantly, air leaks out. So that means the bottom of the 6x9 cancels out with the top of the 6x9s, and a lot of times the top of the 6x9s fight each other. And on top of all that, both 6x9s point straight up. It's not angled towards the rider. So that's the reason I don't like these. So she already had a set of Hertz 690 Neos in there and another set of 6x9s in there. I think it was Polk Audio or something. So luckily she still had her stock lids. We put the stock lids back on. We did a cutting kit, removed the Polk 6x9s, and only ran the Hertz 690 Neos. She already had two Sound Digital evox 800.4s. So we dropped a set of Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers in the bags. The other problem with the double 6x9 lid is you can't run 10s or certain 8s depending on what adapter you use, because since that bridge drops the 6x9s down, when you close the lid, it hits the top of the adapter. So since we put the stock lids back on, that was a non-issue. We did 8s in the back of the bags. And then in the front, she went with all Cicada speakers. We did CH in the lowers, we did CM in the fairing, and then we did the horns in the grills. So the bike came out phenomenal, sounds amazing, way more sound, way more bass than she had before, and it's a much cleaner look, I think, with the single 6x9s than it is with the quad 6x9s, and it gives her a lot of her bag space back because now the speaker sits all the way up. So she's happy with the way it sounds, I'm happy with the way it sounds. Check out the build.
If I had the chance to love you again, I'd make your heart forget I was ever there. If we forget the past, I know this time love will last forever, for always. I'm not coming home anymore. Does it matter? Well, if I had the chance to hold you again, I'd fill your heart with joy, make you remember I'm the only one for you. Yes, let's throw the bad memories out and make this the first day of forever, always love.
Dancing at the ghetto, in a the ghetto, party in the ghetto, in a the ghetto.
Esto se jodió, la vecina no sé qué bebió, el vecino no sé qué prendió, a la gente no sé qué le dio, pero todo el mundo está loco, todo el mundo está loco, todo el mundo rayado del coco, y yo solo sé que montaron.
Dancing at the ghetto, in a the ghetto, party in the ghetto, in a the ghetto. Dancing at the ghetto, in a the ghetto, party in the ghetto, in a the ghetto.
En el ghetto hay party, todo el mundo everybody, estamos flow Rastafari, está perfecto ese party, mami tú estás bien salvaje y yo que estoy de safari, DJ